Hi everyone, I'm Divya Chaudhary and I'm here to give you a glimpse of the post-event excitement that's going on for the Amazon Global Selling Propel Accelerator Season 2. It's been quite a day with our finalists presenting their pitches to the jury, which comes after 8 weeks of mentorship and one-on-one sessions from Amazon leaders, industry stalwarts and VCs. I'm finally pleased to present the top 3 winners of our Amazon Global Selling Propel Accelerator Season 2, and they are SoulThread, EcoRite and GoDesi. Congratulations to all the winners, and along with an exclusive opportunity to take your brand global, they also get an equity-free grant of $100K US from Amazon. Congratulations to all the winners once again. Congratulations, Aparajit. So, how does it feel being declared as the winner of AGS Propel Accelerator Season 2?
I think very thrilled. We were excited to be part of this program and, preparing for the demo day and, very excited and thrilled that, we were chosen as the winners today. I think this is, this just shows, and validates what we've been trying to do over the last 2-3 years, in the sense of the kind of business and the kind of brand we've been trying to build over the last 2-3 years. This is a huge validation for all of that and very excited.
So congratulations, Udit. So how does it feel being, one of the winners of Amazon Global Selling Propel Accelerator Season 2?
Thanks, Divya. We were hoping to win when we came in for demo day, but it's just a surreal experience. We're just so happy to be able to, having competed against such great brands, doing such a diverse amount of stuff. To be able to to be judged amongst the top 3 is just an absolutely fantastic feeling.
Congratulations, Raksha. So how does it feel being a part of, being one of the winners of Amazon Global Selling Propel Accelerator Season 2?
Thank you, Divya. It feels really great. It feels that what we were preparing for these 2 months and for the demo day has been paid off for sure. So it's been a great journey, and I think the entire idea of winning a program like this only strengthens our belief in what we have done so far and what we will be doing in the next future. So that's what I feel right now.
That's fabulous. And how would you describe your overall experience as a part of the Propel program?
I think it's been a great journey, a good 8-week journey where we could learn from a lot of mentors, from the Amazon team and Amazon global leaders. It gives a great impetus and was a great platform to actually, help us go into different international markets, right? So, building a brand for the Indian consumer and then, now taking your brand and the products to, all the international markets, right, is a different ballgame altogether. And the kind of inputs, the kind of tools you need to really succeed in that, and that's what Amazon kind of provided us. So it's been an amazing journey so far, and absolutely looking forward to, the kind of impetus and how it propels us to actually do well in other international markets.
I think the Propel program was extremely enriching because we ended up talking with a lot of different kinds of leaders. So when we came into the program, we knew that we would get a lot of knowledge on how to grow on Amazon and speak to Amazon leaders on how we can structure our Amazon businesses. But we also got a chance to speak to multiple VCs who were able to give us knowledge on how we can structure our team, structure the culture of the company, and how we can drive growth profitably. We also got a chance to speak to entrepreneurs such as Ankur Warikoo and Sanjeev Bikhchandani, who also gave us insights from their lives on how they have been able to grow their companies. And there were a lot of learnings from each of these sessions to take back and kind of say, how do I put this into motion in EcoRite? How can I streamline my hiring process? How do I figure out, my product development process more efficiently? Because we had a session with Manish Tiwari from Amazon on product development and innovation, which was a great process because it gave us a little more structured insight on how we should be doing this. So in that way, I think the entire Propel program taught us a lot. And winning was just a cherry on the cake. We were just very happy being part of the cohort and being able to learn so much from people who we ordinarily wouldn't have a chance to interact with and get these insights from.
It has been a great journey. It has been a very enriching one again, I would say. Great mentors on board. So getting mentored by these, mentors who have reached certain scale in their lives and understanding their point of view on certain aspects of how to sell globally or how to make a great team has been very, very enriching for us. Being a startup, we would need these mentors, and it's not easy to access these mentors at all times. So getting the right platform for this has been great for us.
That's fabulous. And how would you encourage other new startups to join a program like Propel?
So Propel, again, it helped us put structures in place to sell globally. So that's, again, I would say that startups have a very great opportunity to find these structures and, put them have somebody to put these structures for you, and then you can leverage on that platform and then sell out globally. So definitely startups should, apply and be a part of this program.
One of the speakers was just saying today that, even the early stage startups should look at, global selling in global markets right from day zero, right? Even if you are preparing yourself for the Indian consumers in the Indian market, you shouldn't leave the global markets, because that's an absolute untapped area, and there's a plethora of consumers sitting right there to to explore your product and the brand. So you should look at it for right at day zero, and that's what Global Accelerator Program does for you, right? Because you get the right tools to actually go there. And if you look at it, the access to market is one, right? The consumer insights which it can provide you, right, to actually reach the right consumers in different international markets, because every consumer is different. The kind of consumer behavior you would find in the US market to the UK and Europe markets, or UAE or Southeast Asia, it's absolutely different, right? So getting those consumer insights and the know-how about the consumer behavior in different markets, getting help on logistics, on compliance and accounting. I think getting a hang of all these things and how Amazon can really help with that. I think those are the tools you really need to actually do well in international markets.
I would say you should take part in the program because at the end of the day, you will just, if nothing, you will still walk away with a treasure trove of knowledge which you will be able to then apply to your business. And I'm sure, like, for all the brands that were there were different takeaways because we had very in-depth sessions. So not everything is useful to every brand. However, for us, we found enough value in each of the sessions to be able to, actually, attend them, understand. We also, the